Sliding panel shoe organizers convert underused vertical space into hidden, high-density storage for every pair you own. For small homes, we recommend starting with a measured plan. Measure the vertical clearance from closet rod to floor and the depth behind sliding panels to determine panel width and panel count. Choose durable hanging hardware rated for at least 50 pounds per panel and attached to the closet header or a reinforced track rather than relying only on the rod to prevent sagging. Use a mix of pocket sizes and tier heights to accommodate sandals, flats, sneakers, and boots. Stackable sliding panels let you dedicate one vertical lane to taller boots by using fewer tiers on that panel. For boots, consider hanging tiered pockets made from stiff fabric with a reinforced top lip so shafts stay upright and do not rest on the floor. Think about a rotating shoe panel that flips to reveal different height pocket arrays on each face so you can store both tall and short footwear without wasting panel area. If you want seating while you change shoes, select an integrated bench with a slim sliding panel behind it and add a low-profile drawer beneath the bench for flats and delicate pairs that need a horizontal surface. Most installations fail because people overestimate the weight capacity of standard closet rods, so reinforce anchoring points or move to a dedicated header track to avoid bowed panels and falling shoes. Another common issue is mismatched pocket heights causing wasted space. Resolve that by sketching a layout with actual shoes laid out and noting heel to toe and shaft heights to assign pocket rows before ordering panels. A third problem is accessibility, where panels are too deep or heavy to slide easily. Choose lightweight composite panels and install quality soft close rollers and handles positioned for comfortable, two-handed operation to keep panels usable for everyone. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work with closet systems and sliding hardware, and we connect contractors with nearby projects that match their skills. We also run a discussion community where we share installation tips, product recommendations, and real user photos so we can learn from each other and plan better closet solutions.